Okay, so this automation is specific to preparing a client email brief in advance of a meeting. So leads can come in through a number of ways. One is through contact form, can be through meta ads. So for this particular use case, we're going to look at the contact form and a lead coming in. So when the lead comes in, the AI reads who the lead is, their company name, and it'll then prepare a structured brief for you in advance of your meeting. So you're going in well prepared, knowing what the company is, knowing who your audience is going to be. So let's take a look at the contact form. We're using my website form in this case. So we have filled it out. We're just going to look at my particular website in this case as a test. So let's start the conversation. Okay. We can see the submission coming through. So let's run the automation. So yeah, it passes it into the AI, so the company name, and it'll bring back what it can find about the company. So there is a prompt in there, and now we will go into our drafts to see what we got. Okay. So here is the structured view. Let's take a look. So company overview, Highridge AI Consulting is a consulting firm, works with artificial intelligence. What are they looking for? This is the problem that came in through the contact form, questions that you could ask in the meeting. This will help you prepare. It means you do not need to write out these questions, and it also gives you an angle. So there's lots of little tips here that can help you. And it saves time. It saves someone else looking up and preparing a document for you. We built this automation quickly. We can build many more. Think of your examples and come back to me with an idea if you have any.